guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a few DIYs that are super quick and super easy. So I don't want to make this a long video, so let's get started. First I have this vase from Dollar Tree. Of course I rehearsed it in advance so I know that I want to fill it with snow till here, and to fake the snow I'm using Epsom salt. It's amazing, I love it. It looks like snow and it has some kind of glitter. Let me see, the right side, yes. So let's fill it. I think that's enough, let me see. A little bit more. Perfect. So now I'm going to add this tree. This is the end part of a floral. You know those flowers you buy at Dollar Tree, for example. Once you use the flowers and the leaves, you end up with this kind of stuff. So some of them I painted in black for Halloween, and I painted in white some others to use them for the holiday season. So I'm going to add this to this vase. Well, I'll remove that later. This is going to be the front. I'm going to add this beautiful, beautiful fairy, a ballerina fairy, and I'm also going to add these pine cones and snowballs. So let's do this. In the meantime, let me tell you that I'm entering this video in the Christmas/holiday Earn Base DIY challenge that is hosted by Sonja from Domestic Diva, and her co-host this month is Nadia from DIY with Nadia. I will leave the links as usual to the channels of the hostesses in the description box, and also the link to the playlist, so please pay a visit and watch the videos. Now I'm going to add this pine cone. I'm going to help myself with this, and a little bit of help. This other pine cone on this side. As you can see, this is so easy, and I think honestly that looks so good, so lovely. Let me push this here, and the other one in the back, I think. Well, doesn't want to cooperate, as I always say. Let me move this to, here we go. I want it on the other side. A little bit of patience, but as you can see, this is very easy and quick, and you can do it in a moment. I was thinking about a ribbon or something, but honestly I think it looks so good this way, so good, that I'm not going to add anything to it. So of course I will, as usual, I will show you all the DIYs from the front at the end of the video. So now let's move on to the next one. I hope you know already, my daughter and I are dumpster divers, so we find a lot of things in the dumpsters. This is one thing we found at Michael's. It retails, look, $30 for this. No way, it's kind of a Dollar Tree thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add first these two pieces of ribbon. This ribbon is from Michael's also, but it's not from the dumpster. I think I bought two huge rolls when after Christmas they have everything 90% off. Well, that's when I bought them, and I bought the last two. Oh, I burned myself. So let me glue this here. and then you go all around like so, and I glue this side here, this extreme here. And I'm going to do the same at the bottom. Some hot glue here. And now this side. And we are almost finished. I'm going to decorate this. As my house is all farmhouse style, and I love buffalo check. I'm obsessed with buffalo check. I always add buffalo check too. Whenever I can, I add buffalo check. I love how it looks. It makes everything look farmhouse almost instantly. So this is it, and I'm going to decorate it with some picks that I have. These are mainly from Dollar Tree, and they are from last year. And I, yes, you can see, use floral wire, also from the dumpster, by the way. We found this in the dumpster. Oh, and so I'm going to place them here. And I have this cute owl. This is from Dollar Tree. And I wanted to add it here, and I try and move everything, so finally I arranged this to have a space here for the owl. I use a stem that I have empty from a floral, and I just pushed it into the owl, and I'm going to add it here. And I think this looks so cute. So this is it for this DIY. And now the last one. This is another thing we found in the dumpster. I think this is from Kirkland's. We found it like 2 years ago. It has a candle holder that goes inside and has a ring that avoids it from getting to the bottom. I removed it. I'm not going to use it. I also add snow. I'm going to add these 2 pieces of greenery in the bottom, at the bottom. One here, and the other one on this side. Like so. I want to separate them a little bit. Here we go. Let me see. Yes. Okay. Next, I have this ornament, which is also from the dumpster. It has a mark here, so this is going to go facing the back of the base. Let me see if it's the right orientation. Yeah. So what I did was I tied a piece of jute and twine, and of course I measured it previously, and I'm going to place this here. I tied it to this bit that I had around of greenery, and I'm going to place this here. And now I'm going to add some pine cones. So I have these pieces of a branch from my daughter's backyard tree, and as you can see, I added 2 little pine cones, and I added some hot glue to keep the twine in place, and I hot glue the other extreme of the twine to the pine cones with hot glue, and I'm going to add them here. Like so. Again, I'm going to show you the front at the end of the video, but believe me, it looks really good. And I tied in this piece of branch just one, a little bit longer, and I'm going to add it on the front. Like so. I'm not going to glue it. I could. If I see that I have problems later, I may just glue it with a little bit of hot glue to the border of the glass, but I don't think I need it. I think it's going to stay in place. So this is it for the inside, and I'm going to add this bow, of course, buffalo check, to the front. Like so. I say like so all the time, I don't know why. And I'm also going to add this snowball in the center of the bow. I'm going to leave the link to our dumpster diving channel, Dumpster Chicks, also in the description box, just in case you want to have some fun watching us getting into the dumpsters and rescuing a lot of treasures. You won't believe the things, well, you can see the things we find. We found a lot of lanterns and pieces of the core and beautiful things. If you watch my videos, if you are a subscriber, you know already, because 99% of my videos, the DIYs I make, are made using things from the dumpster. I almost have to spend no money in materials for my DIYs, because the dumpster provides us with them. So this is the final result, and I hope you like these DIYs. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, that will make me very happy, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. I want to thank Sonja and Nadia for hosting this challenge. Again, please visit their channels and watch the videos in the playlist, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.